How to delete a Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a Facebook account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your Facebook and then head into the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on the settings or gear icon just below the hamburger icon. You'll be heading to settings and privacy, right? Under settings and privacy, you want to select the account center option. And here in the account center, you want to head into the option that says personal details. Under personal details, now you want to select the option that says account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion option. Now here it'll show up multiple accounts here. If you have multiple accounts linked, it'll show up here. Select a particular Facebook account that you wish to delete, and then tap on delete account option. Make sure the blue circle is on the delete account option, then tap on continue, and your account will be deleted once you enter in your password. So this way you can easily delete a Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.